Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine. You?
I am also fine. So, today we discuss about dowry system. So, tell me about this thing. It is
You don't know about dowry because when any marriage happened at that time, parental houses pupils who give something to their daughter for comfortables. It's called dowry, and in our society it is very famous. If they want to marry their girls, and at that time they give a lot of things, many things, they are comfortable for that person, and also like jewelries, many things. So I think it is dowry.
but the bride family don't give the dowry because he have no money. But groom family demand the dowry. But that time it is right or wrong?
I think it is wrong because I think dowry system is also wrong, and we can't demand a lot of dowry because you hear a lot of things. When the bride family is poor, they are not able to afford the amount of dowry, and if the groom family wanted a lot of dowry, and at that time they can't afford. And so I think dowry system is wrong, and they demand a lot of things.
In our area, it is happen a lot.
Yeah, I think it has happened a lot, but in my opinion, it is not right. If someone's who wanted marry his daughter, at that time, if he like to give something as a gift, it is right. But someone's demand a lot of things. It is not absolutely right.
Yeah.
I think.
If you don't demand anything, still they give a lot of things.
Yeah, and also bride families suffered a lot of problems. Like if they have no a lot of things for giving, and many things happen with them, and they also go down in front of the lost houses. So
In which marriage we give a dowry? Means arranged marriage and love marriage.
I think both marriage, because if we do love marriage at that time, some marriage is also good. There's people don't demand a lot of dowry because they know each other very well, and their family also know, and arranged marriage it is also good. But if someone want to a good employee, who is well educated also, who has a good job for doing, and at that time they demands a lot of dowry. I think they don't do so because they are so rich and they have a good job. At that time they don't demand a lot of dowry.
Which marriage is good?
I think arranged marriage is good in my opinion.
Why?
Because when to arrange marriage, at that time our family is always with us. Someone said that if we do anything without our family's permission, everyone's annoyed to you, and no one with you what you do in your life. And arranged marriage is in this case arranged marriage is good. So, and which marriage you do like?
I also like the arranged.
And tell me side effect of arranged marriage.
In the arranged marriage, we have his whole family and no one says anything. But in the marriage, we have heard a lot of talk and what to do in your life, and in your family many people don't you and also don't with you.
I think if someone want to do love marriage, in this case, we know each other very well. I think if we do love marriage and before we know this person very well, like her occupation, about his family, many things, and we can stay happy. If some love marriage is happy love marriage,
But your family hate to you.
yeah, family hate, but no one.
It is right. You stay far to his family.
Yeah, but it is not so, because if your life partner is good, who understand your family very well, and in this case we can't do anything wrong with our family, and if we need a understandable partner, and so I tell about my brother, who is my not real brother, but he lives in front of my house, and they want to love marriage in a almost a years ago, but their family not agree, because they want to arrange marriage, so they do many things for their marriage. He pretend to die. If you don't marry with this girl, I can die. And at that time his family said, and his family said, if you die, then I also can die, and I never marry this girl. And now he do arrange marriage, and his family is good family, so but his parents always told, if you do marry this girl, then you can't happy. And this he said, if I marry this girl, I always be happy, because I marry this girl, but I am not happy with her. So and also his family wanted a lot of dowry. That's why if he do love marriage, then they can't take a lot of things from the bride house. So, and in past time, dowry system is not happened a lot. What's your opinion about it?
I think in past, I think in past time, dowry system is happened a lot.
How can you say that?
But in present time, many pupils be educated, so they don't want to dowry.
It's not so. In past time, many people demand a lot of dowry, but not too much like nowadays, I think. Because nowadays we demand a lot of things. Because if anyone have a good job for doing, at that time they demand a lot of dowry from the groom, from the bride family, and they have no care. Bride family afford the amount of dowry. They don't care. They want a lot of dowry. So, but in past time, people don't give luxury things. They give only simple things, and you know about that things like earthen pots and many things others.
Like
Yeah, bicycles. But nowadays, people demand car and many other things. AC. They have no care. They afford or not. They want.
yeah, you are right.
If you do marriage at the time, you demand for dowry or not. Tell me.
I don't know about future.
I tell about it. I think you don't know very well. It means you want dowry. Tell me, please.
What I tell of this.
If suppose that if you have government job at that time when you want to marry, at that time you have government job, And if bride family can't afford give you dowry, at that time you can marry this girl.
If my parents like this girl, then
I think if your parents demand a lot of dowry, you agree with your family.
then I explain them that if our condition is not good, then I saw.
Yeah.
And I also say that I have a government job and we have a lot of money. Then what the use of that money? It is
Yeah.
dowry.
Yeah, it is good. So tell me about
You know that nowadays I heard a lot of places that the groom family gives dowry to bride family.
you hear this thing
Yeah.
and tell me about it. I don't hear it.
When the bride family is so rich, but the groom family have any types of means.
I think if bride family is poor, they can't give anything properly. At that time, groom family can help them for afford a lot of dowry
But not
and also arrangement of receptions.
I heard many places
Yeah,
that
so tell me about it. I don't know.
I heard that the bride family is so rich, but still they want to dowry from the groom family.
You watch like celebrities. They don't understand the importance of dowry because they thought dowry is not nothing for them.
Yes, because we have a lot of
Money and they spend only money for their clothes and dressing sense, also jewelry, other things, but don't invest for purchasing a lot of dowry. And also you if you can if you do love marriage at that time your bride don't covered her face in front of your parents. It is also happened because she thought they are they are like my parents, so I how I covered my face in front of them. What's your opinion about it? It is so or not? I think if someone covered her face, he lost his identity. I think it is so.
but it is not necessary to any.
Yeah, it is not necessary. But people don't know about it. They thought if a girl don't cover her face, it is wrong in front
But,
of their lost parents.
But some condition thus also thought that when they keep thought bad, then we have to cover his face up little.
Yeah, and in places people you saw many women her face covered so long.
Yeah.
And they have no care to watch things properly or not, and they respect their grandparents.
Like in Rajasthan.
Yeah, yeah.
Ask me.
But I ask you, tell me about your opinion, marriage. About marriage.
Marriage is very important for a person. Without marriage, his family don't grow.
Yeah, it is right. And which marriage do you like most?
I have no opinion about this.
If you talk about such questions, then you make a condition on it.
it is very difficult to tell you that which marriage is important.
I don't say that which marriage is important. I said that which marriage do you prefer to do?
It is also difficult for me.
Because you don't know about things very well.
Yeah.
But sometimes I feel sad that marriage is very important for career.
Yeah, marriage is important, but I don't know. But I don't know that which marriage is important. Means most important when marriage and non-marriage.
You know about many people who don't want to marry. I think. So tell me about arranged marriage and love marriage. What the difference between what?
There's no.
Don't feel shy. I asked a question. So tell me.
In a marriage, a person who loves a girl and after that they marriage. In arranged marriage, their means a boy whose parents decide which girl you marry and they take dowry from that. Also many cases they take dowry. But I think that in love marriage, a few cases they give dowry. If they are too rich, then I think they give dowry.
But I think if many families is such that if they are